Hey friends, so unlike these other websites that are promising to pay you money but they're never going to pay you money, this website that I'm going to show you right now, they're really going to pay you money and they're just going to pay you up to $200. And the very good thing about this website is that it's very easy to use each of these websites that I'm going to show you today, and I will be so happy to show you payment proof right from this website. And right now I'm just going to show you how are you going to get paid just by answering questions on this platform. So let's dive in and see all this website. So our very first website is called Respondant, and right now let me show you the reason you need to join on this website right after watching this video. As you can see here, this platform is now looking for anyone who is ready to perform this very simple task, and this platform is looking to chat to any woman who have tried or have an opinion about foot care product. So if you have opinion or if you ever used any foot care product, you can go to this platform and answer these very simple questions about foot care products and get paid. Just to chat with them only for 20 minutes, you can get paid up to $35. So you can see this platform is very legit and people are really getting money just by answering very simple questions on the platform. So if you're ready, you can just go on this platform and start making money. The other tasks on this platform are going to pay you up to $500. So all you want to do right now is to go to respondent.io and sign up. Then you have to apply to this website and start making money just after answering very simple questions that are available on this platform, Respondent. Alright, so our next website is called focusgroup.com, and this platform is going to pay you up to $75 per 1 hour just by doing a very simple task. As you can see here, only by sharing your opinion on this platform can get you paid up to $75 per 1 hour. And all the questions that are available on this platform are relatively easy, and these are the examples of the questions that you can find on this platform. You can be asked about how do you take care of your dogs, and other questions it can be about medical conditions, and other questions can be about your shopping habit. So if you know anything about your shopping habit, and I know that you know that, so you may want to go ahead and join on this platform just by answering these questions about your dog, about medical conditions, about your shopping habits, and too many questions that are available on this platform. You can get paid $75 per 1 hour. So this is a lot of money. You really have to go ahead on this platform, which is called focusgroup.com, and you can start earning money online. So let's go to the next website. Alright, so this next website is called Field Voices, and this website is willing to pay you $300 up to $350 only by sharing your insights on day-to-day lifestyle. So if you're willing to share your lifestyle on this platform, you can just go ahead and share your own experiences on day-to-day life. So if you're ready to do that, you can go to this website and you can get paid. And the payment may vary. It depends on your location, and you can get paid within 7 days right after submitting your experiences on this platform. You can get paid. So this one is really interesting, so you really want to go ahead and join on this platform, which is called fieldvoices.com. So right now I'm just going to show you payment proof from this website, which is called discount.com, and I'm just going to show you because you need to understand how much you're going to make after joining on this platform. You can make $100, $50, and the more questions that you're just going to answer on the platform, the more money you'll be making from the platform. So example of questions that you'll be finding on this platform is like, how often do you use social media, and what features do you think can be necessary to be added on a certain platform? So right after answering these questions, you can get paid on the platform. But there are a lot of missions, and these missions, it can include live interviews. So if you do interviews, you'll be in a position to make more money, because anyone who is doing interview on this platform answering questions, they get paid a reasonable amount of money. All these payments are going to be done right after completing your task on the platform. So I really encourage you really need to go to this website, which is called discount.com. This website is legit. As I showed you before, this is a payment proof on the platform, and people are really getting paid on the platform. So you really have to go forward and join on this platform and see how much you're really going to make just by answering very simple questions, which anyone can answer type of these questions. So you really have to go forward and join on the platform. So our next platform is called InstaZoomPanel, and I'm just going to be honest with you on this platform. This platform is really not going to make you rich, and you're not going to make a decent amount of money on this platform. You'll be paid $5 up to $10 only by sharing your opinion and answering questions on the platform, and you will be receiving this money on your PayPal account. So if you have PayPal account, you may want to go ahead and join on this platform. But also this payment will be done right after answering all these questions, which are very simple, and your money will be sent within 14 days right after completing answering very simple questions on this platform. So if you think $5 or $10 can be enough for you to buy some stuff, you may want to go ahead and join on this platform. And the more questions that you're just going to answer on the platform, the more money maybe you'll be making, at least up to $50, $30, who knows. So you will have to go ahead and join on this platform and see how much you're going to make. But as I said before, you're really not going to make a lot of money on the platform. So this one I really don't recommend. If you have limited time, I think you may consider skipping this website. So let's move to the next one. Right, so this is our last website for you to get paid just by answering questions. And for you to start making money, you have to go to this website, which is called UserInterviews.com. Then on the top of this page, you can click this place which is written as participant, as you can see right here. Then you have to come and click this place on the right side, want to get paid to participate, then sign up. You can sign up, which usually takes very short time, 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and you can just write your email and other necessary information. And on this platform, you can get paid to answer questions about product, academic studies like history and science, but also you can get paid to answer different questions about culture. So you can make up to $400, 400 euro on the platform. So you really have to go to this platform and join on the platform, because $400 can be a reasonable amount of money for you. You can go forward and start making money on the platform. I know a lot of people have been watching a video like this, but they will never go ahead and try any of this method on how to make money just by answering very simple questions on this different website. And unlike other websites and unlike other videos, I know a lot of people are finding this video and they just go ahead and try this website. They find out all these websites, they're not working, so they think all these videos are really not working. But if you go forward and read all these reviews as I did, and it's really my thing, before recording any video, I have to make sure that I read all these reviews on how people are talking about this website, and I come to find out all these websites that I've mentioned in this video, they're all legit websites, and you can really get paid, because I've seen people, they're showing off their proof on how much they got just by answering questions on a certain website. But you really have to understand that it's really hard for you to become rich by doing very simple tasks like this, but at least these websites are going to give you extra money, $400, $500 by doing a very simple task. But you don't have to expect making more than $2,000. No, that is really impossible. So I encourage, if you're interested in one of these websites, you may want to go ahead and sign up on this website. And the good thing about this website, most of these are available all over the world. They're available in Africa, in Asia, in USA. So I encourage you have to go forward and join on this platform. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope to see you next time. My name is Hans David. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.